How to check time spent watching YouTube videos. You can easily check how much time you have spent watching YouTube videos using the YouTube app or website. So here is how to do it on your YouTube app. First of all, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your YouTube account. Now all you have to do is tap on the profile pictures of yours at the bottom right corner or your initial to navigate to your profile section. Now, once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down and there you'll get to see time watched option available there and simply tap on it. You will see daily average watch time here, watch time today, yesterday and past 7 days here. So basically a bar graph showing daily breakdown. Links to manage your YouTube break reminders like take a break or bedtime reminders and all. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.